Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Buddymate LED ring fill light. This is a ring fill light used primarily by vloggers and also by beauticians, and also for taking selfies and stuff like that. This has a lot of this actually has no information on it other than saying that it comes with multiple color temperatures and fill light, and for beauty face, basically for selfies and for vlogging primarily. Let's just open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what the Buddymate LED ring fill light looks like. This is the ring light in question. This is a 10-inch ring light. This over here is a smartphone bracket, a smartphone holder. So the purpose of this particular smartphone holder is to make sure that is basically you put your smartphone in this particular bracket and then record or shoot whatever you want to shoot. Attaching it to this particular stand is pretty easy. First you just remove it from the stand. This comes off pretty, you just pull and it comes off, and now you have to put the smartphone in here. There you go. And now you can put it back. Just insert the ball like so, and then use this particular nut to tighten this particular. Use this bolt basically to tighten this particular nut. And now that we have this over here, you can actually go on and turn the camera on. So you can have the camera right over here. There you can see the camera that I am shooting on right now. And let's just leave it over there. Over here you have the so this is the connecting cable. Let me just show it to you. This is the connecting cable. There is USB-A on one side, which is a great addition, which means you can connect it to a laptop or a PC as well. There you go. You can see this is the USB-A connector, and there is a remote over here, an inline remote. This is the one that you use to turn it on and off, and also to shift between different modes and control the intensity of this particular LED light. I'm going to connect it to a power source and show you what this actually looks like. So I'm going to attach it to this power adapter right over here and then connect it to a power source. We'll just do that. There you go. Turn it on by pressing this particular button over the on-off button right over here. There you go. I'm going to click on it. You can see that it's powered right now because these buttons are now glowing. There you go, it's on now. I'm going to reduce the intensity. So that's the lowest intensity, and let's see what the highest is. That's the highest one. Let's keep it low for now. So this is one mode. Now I'm going to press the mode button, which is this button right over here. It changes color temperature. This is warm, this is mixture, and this is the. So this is cool, this is warm, and this is a mixture of two. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Buddymate 10-inch LED ring fill light. Thank you for watching.